For the easiest way to access the cabin filter on your Ford Mustang 2015 and up, go underneath the glove box. You see this panel right here? No tools required, just firmly pull the panel off and you'll be able to reach up under there and get to the little T20 screw, as well as pull the door off, and the filter will come off much easier. As you see, go up underneath to get to it. I mean, you can kind of get to it, you know, removing the glove box. You know, you have to squeeze these two ends together and remove this little little dampener, that little guy right there. You've seen tons of videos how to do it, but it's really difficult to actually get to the filter just by removing the glove box door. Underneath is the way to go. And removing that panel is the way to go. You can remove that little wire. Just turn, you'll see the little light right there. Just turn it and it'll pop right out. Much easier than monkeying around with the way that a lot of people are telling you. Make sure you check out our channel. We got all kinds of cool stuff. And if our video saved your life, make sure you click the thanks donation button under the video screen. You'll have a good one.